Smart Health Counselor for Cardiovascular Inflammation, a recent study. Today's healthcare is becoming more innovative to better support patients, especially the elderly. Our system is designed to help doctors and caregivers monitor patients' health in real time, even when the patient is not in a hospital. It uses special sensors attached to the body that check important health signs like heart rate, body temperature, blood sugar, muscle activity, and ECG, heart rhythm. These sensors send the data to a mobile phone using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. If something unusual is detected, the system immediately sends an alert message to doctors or family members. This technology helps avoid delays in emergency care by keeping track of the patient's health continuously. All the data collected is also saved in a database, so it can be accessed from anywhere during an emergency. The system is built with sensors, a small computer, microcontroller, and special software to track and display health information. It helps in understanding when a patient feels most comfortable and can alert others before a serious problem occurs. This kind of monitoring system can be life-saving and is especially useful for elderly or chronically ill patients who need constant care without being in a hospital all the time. This paper presents a smart heartbeat monitoring system that helps track a patient's heart activity in real time, whether they are in a hospital or moving around in daily life. The system is especially useful for elderly people who are more likely to suffer from heart-related diseases. As the system constantly monitors the patient's heartbeat, it can quickly detect any abnormal changes and immediately send alerts to doctors, caregivers, or family members. This early warning can be critical in preventing serious medical emergencies. The system uses sensors like a pulse oximeter and a temperature sensor to collect important health data. These sensors are connected to a small computer chip called an Arduino Nano Amiga 328P, which processes the data. The heartbeat is measured by detecting the small electrical signals generated when the heart pumps blood through the body. This signal is used to monitor how hard the heart is working and can reflect the person's overall physical condition. In addition to heart monitoring, the system considers how inflammation plays a major role in diseases that come with aging, such as cardiovascular conditions. Scientists have also found that tiny molecules called microRNAs are involved in aging, inflammation, and heart disease. By combining sensor technology with intelligent alert systems, this device supports health professionals and families in taking better care of patients. It helps ensure that health changes are noticed quickly, so proper action can be taken right away. This kind of smart monitoring could make a big difference in saving lives and improving quality of care. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of early death worldwide. Monitoring heartbeats is a simple but powerful way to detect heart problems early and prevent serious medical emergencies. This paper introduces a smart, wearable system that continuously checks a person's heartbeat and quickly sends alerts if something abnormal is detected. Using small, portable technology, this system allows patients, especially those with ongoing heart conditions, to live comfortably at home while still being safely monitored. The device includes a sensor that detects the heart rate and a microcontroller that sends an automatic alert to medical staff or family if any danger is detected. This ensures that help can arrive within the first few critical hours, improving the patient's chances of survival. This kind of remote heart monitoring reduces pressure on hospitals and improves healthcare by making it easier to respond quickly in emergencies, especially for elderly or at-risk patients. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.